So we have a question here. We need to find the value of x. This is a question from angles, and to find the value of x, we'll use the property where it says, and this is the exterior angle property. Like if this is x and this is a, this is b, then x is equals to a plus b. So here we don't have this angle, but we have this angle. So how we are going to find this angle is 180 minus 3x, and we have x, we'll add that, which will be equal to 100 from our exterior angle property, and this will become 180 minus 2x. Sorry for my handwriting, it's just too bad. And this will become 80. We send the 100 here and 2x there. It will change from negative to positive. X will become 40. So yeah, uh, that's how we solve these type of questions.